learn, for easy learn. Today we are going to do question number 5. Already we have uploaded up to question number 4 in the previous videos. Please go through the same and let us go and see how we are going to do this exercise. Okay. In this one, we have to classify these questions into monomial, binomial and trinomial. So monomial, binomial, trinomial. What is monomial? Monomial means if there is only one term, then it is called monomial. And if there is two terms, then it is called binomial. And if there is three terms, then it is called trinomial. And if it is more than three terms, then it is called polynomial. More than three terms means 3 is a monomial. 3x is also a monomial. 3x squared is also a monomial. 3x squared y is a monomial. Minus 3x squared y is a monomial. But if there is one more symbol is there and it is like y, then it is a binomial because two terms are there. If it is one y, then also it is two terms are there, so it's a binomial. Yx, then also it's a binomial. And if there are one more term, that is x squared, y squared, then it is a trinomial. 1, 2, 3 terms are there. So it's a trinomial. Sometimes you will get question like this. Y squared plus 2y squared. But here it is not a binomial because these two terms are there. But these both are of like terms. If they are of like terms, then it will be considered as monomial only. 1y squared plus 2y squared equals 3y squared. So this is a monomial. It's not a binomial. Okay. So in this way you have to consider there should not be the up to 3 terms. Whatever terms it is, but if they should not be like terms. Then only we have to consider as 2 terms, 3 terms, whatever. So in first question, 4y minus 7z. 4y is one term, minus 7z is the second term. So there are 2 terms. 2 terms means it is binomial. Since there are 2 terms, it is a binomial. Y squared, that's single term. Y squared is a single term. You have to consider you don't have to consider the power. You have to consider the term. Okay, so whatever the power may be, it will be considered a single term. So this is single term, so this is a monomial. And here, x plus y minus xy. How many terms are there? X, y minus xy. 3 terms are there. So 3 terms are there, then it's called trinomial. Now, 100, single term. So it's a monomial. Now next one, AB, one term, minus A, second term, minus B, third term. So 1, 2, 3. 3 terms are there. So it's a trinomial. Now second one, 5 minus 3t. 5 is one term, minus 3t is the second term. So 2 terms are there. So it's a binomial. Now next question. 4pq squared. 4p squared q squared. 4pq squared. 4 is same. P squared. Here it is p squared. It's a p. So these are not the like terms. So these are 2 terms. 4p squared q squared and 4pq squared. So 2 terms are there. So it's a binomial. 7mn. 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 This is a single term. So this is a monomial. Z squared minus 3z plus 8. Z squared one term, minus 3z second term, and 8 is the third term. 3 terms are there. So this is a trinomial. Now next one. A squared plus b squared. A squared is one term and b squared is the second term. So 2 terms are there. So if 2 terms are there, it's a binomial. And z squared plus z. 2 terms are there. Z squared and z. 2 terms are there. So So 2 terms means that's a binomial. Now, next one, 1 plus x squared. 1 term, x second term, x squared third term. So 3 terms are there, so it's a trinomial. Okay. Now, next question is, state whether a given pair of terms is of like terms or unlike terms. How we can find like terms and unlike terms? What are like term, unlike term? If it is written 1 and 5, these are like terms, but both are a constant. If it is 1x and 5x, so these are like terms because the coefficient whatever it may be, but the variable are of same with same power, that are like terms. The power should be same. Xy and this also xy, so they are like terms. If it is 1x squared y and 5x squared y, so it's a like term. And if it is y squared, y cube, and this also y cube, then it is like term. But if this is of xy squared and this is x squared, y cube and x squared, y squared, so these are not like terms. So there both the variables should be of same power, both sides should be the same variables with the same power, then only they are called like terms. This is not considered as important. This is not required that both the constants should be same. Numerical coefficient should not be same, it's not required. But the variables and their power should be equal. Then they are called like terms. Okay. Now the first question is 1 and 100. Both are constants, 1 and 100. Both are constants. So these are like terms. Now next one is minus 7x 5 by 2x. In both these cases, x is the variable and x has the power 1. Both have x as variable with power 1. So both are like terms. Next question. Minus 29x and minus 29y. Numerical coefficient are same, but here the variable is x and the variable is y. Variable should be same. So since variables are different here, so these are not like terms, these are unlike terms. Now next question is 14xy and 42yx. The numbers all is different, xy and here yx, but the power of x is 1 and power of x is 1. Power of y is 1, power of y is 1. So these are like terms. We don't consider the numerical coefficient. The variables and their power should be same. So here the variables and power are same. Order is not important. So xy, yx are same. So these are like terms. Next question. 4m squared p, 4m p squared. Here m has the power 2 and m has the power 1. And here p has the power 1 and p has the power 2. So powers are different. Variables are same, but the powers are different. So these are unlike terms. And in next question, 12xz and 12x squared z squared. So in both these cases, here the x has the power as 1 and here x has the power as 2. They are different. And here z has the power as 1 and z has the power as 2. So in both these cases, the variables are same, but their power is different. So these are unlike terms. Now the next question is identify the like terms. You have to identify the like terms. Okay. So let us see. These are the first term is minus x y squared. Here x has the power 1 and y has the power 2. Next question, minus 4y x squared. Y has power 1, x has power 2. So this is a different term. So let us write in the second line. 4y x squared. Because the y has power 2 here and 1 here. So these are different. Now third question is 8x squared. That's again a different one. So let us write in the third line. 8x squared. Now fourth one is 2xy squared. 2xy squared. X one time and y. X has 1 power and y has 2's power. So xy squared is this one. So we will write here 2xy squared. Next one is 7y. The y is the coefficient. Y is the variable. So we have to write a new one. Now the third one, next one is minus 11x squared. So x squared, here it is x squared. So we will write with this one. Minus 11 x squared. Now next one is minus 100x. Do we have any x1 here? No. So we have to open the new account. Minus 100x. Now the next question is minus 11yx. X and y one time. So there is no one like here, like this here. So minus 11 we have to open a new. Minus 11yx. 20x squared y squared. X squared y squared, where is x squared y squared? It is here. X squared, no, squared y it is here. So x squared y squared we are not having. So we have to write it separately. X squared y squared. Now minus 6x squared. X squared, where is x squared? It is here. So minus 6x squared. Next one is y. Where is y? Y is here. 7y. So we have to write with this one. We have to group y with this one. Now 2xy. One time x, one time y. So xy, it is here. So we have to write with this one. 2xy. And the last question is 3x. Where is the xy term? X is this one. So 3x we have to write with this. So these are the like terms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. This don't have any like term. This don't have any like term. But this have a like term. These are the like terms. These are the like terms. These are the like terms. And these are the like terms. Okay. Now the second part. 10pq. Let us write here 10pq because p and q are of single power 1. Power p has one power and q also has single power. Next 7p, that is different. So we have to write here. 8q, only q is there. So we have to write separately again. Now p squared, q squared. P and q both have power 2. So minus p squared, q squared. Next one is minus 7qp. P and q are ones. It is there. So it will be with this one. These are the like terms of 7qp. Next one is minus 100p. P is here. So minus 100p. These are the like terms. Next one is minus 23. It's a constant. So we have to write separately. Now 12q squared, p squared. Q squared, p squared is here. So 12q squared, p squared. Next one is minus 5p squared. Minus 5p squared is not here. So minus 5p squared. Next one is 41. It's a constant. 41 is a constant. So it will be written with this one. These are the like terms. Next one, 2405p. P. Only p is there. P is here. So 2405p. Okay. These are the like terms. Now 78pq. Once pq is already we have written here. So 78qp. qp, pq it's not a matter. Order is not a matter in this one. Now 13p squared q. 13p squared q. Where is p squared q? We don't have p squared q. So we have to write separately. 13p squared q. Next qp squared. Qp squared is here. Look, q and p squared. We have already written here. So we have to group it with this one. qp squared. Next one is 701p squared. Do we have p squared here? It is here. So 701p squared. In this way, we have to identify the like terms. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe and share with your friends. It will be very much helpful for us. Thank you so much. Bye.